What's up everybody? Simon here with Tech Visibility. Today I'm going to test a pretty cool headphone. It goes for about $23 on Amazon. The link is below in the description. These are the ZIHNIC, I don't know how you say it. It's a Chinese brand, but they're foldable and they have over 65,000 reviews on Amazon, which is incredible. So I thought I had to test them. I got the baby blue or the black blue version. I think these are the black blue, but look at this case. It's very innovative, very creative. I like it so far. For $23, we're going to see if these guys sound great. We're going to also do a test phone call with them, but really put them through the paces with music and give you the description. So before I unbox and review these, I ask that you like the video. That's the biggest favor you could do for us. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Check out our playlist on headphone reviews. We've reviewed everything from the AirPods Max to pretty much the Bose QC series and the 700 and everything in between. So also check out techvisibility.com and let's get into this unboxing and review. Okay, so the box pretty much came like this. It was actually wrapped in bubble wrap. I didn't have to remove the shrink wrap with this video, which is a bummer. So I'm kind of disappointed that there is no shrink wrap to remove, which is my favorite thing to do in an unboxing video. All right, however, these ZIHNIC are pretty interesting. I'm gonna go ahead and open them up. I do like the case. It's very sturdy. It's very thick. This is not a thin case. It's probably at least a 1/4 inch thick. Obviously, it's a Chinese product. You could already see a lot of made in China and Chinese writing, and it should be pretty simple to use as some of the others, but it's a pretty thick booklet. Inside the case, you do get some accessories that come with it in a little baggie. So you do get your auxiliary cable so you could connect these, and it is a USB mini from a USB-A, so I wish it had a USB-C, but it doesn't. So we're going to go into the manual here in a little bit, and then you have obviously the headphones. Now these fold up great. As you could tell here, they're pretty foldable considering how big they are. They pack up really nice, but overall good fold, good thickness. There is a rubber here that will keep on your head. Decent cushions with fake leather obviously, or vinyl. Inside this is movable. There is an indicator of left and right. Good support. I mean, and there is a nice swivel here. Interesting design here in terms of the case. They have their logo. There's a power button on this side here. You could tell it's entering Bluetooth mode, said power on. That's the USB mini, that's the auxiliary cable. And for some reason they have a slot here for, it looks like a memory card. So you could probably play straight off a memory card. You have M for probably memory, plus minus, and then pause, play, hang up, and accept a call. So in the manual, it goes into all these details, but we could probably figure this out as well. So there's a micro SD slot, and it can take up to 32 gigabytes, which is pretty neat. I don't know anyone that plays music off of micro SD anymore, but that's interesting. All right, so let's move this aside. The real truth of this test is really to see how well they sound. If they don't sound well, who cares, right? However, I'll put them on for you guys and see how well they fit. So here we go. I got them on. I had to adjust the headband a little bit. There's a little bit of noise canceling, not much. These are not active noise canceling. The cushions feel good. These feel very light on my head. Not the lightest headphones I've tested, but they're pretty good. And they do feel a little bulky from the sides, however, as you could tell here. The blue and black looks pretty cool. Overall, feel great. I don't feel like they're gonna fall off or slide off, but I don't know if I'm gonna get the best quality music. Only time will tell, and I'm starting to pair these with the Bluetooth. So I go into Bluetooth here, and there they are. They're called WH816s, okay? On the Bluetooth pairing, I just connected them. The indicator shows blue here. They're connected, and here we go. So I'm gonna put them on. and let's play a rap song. Now, I will tell you, for these particular headphones, I'm not getting that noise canceling I normally get from headphones that have a good cuppage on my ear. So you're not gonna get that, and that might be a positive or a negative for you. So the first test I'm gonna do is just play a rap song. Again, I play a rap song just because of the fact that I want to hear some bass. I want to see if these things can handle bass. Some of you like bass in different songs. A lot of people do prefer I play rap music, but I also play some piano or some acoustic music right after to do a second test to see how the vocals sound where bass is not interfering. So we're going to hear if there is any distortion or if there's any trouble with keeping up with the bass in these drivers. Okay, here we go.
See, Rush. Indies. Hey. Plotting on the majors, trying to make it from the minors. Looking at what's ahead, trying to put it all behind us. To 5-star from a diner, I need seats with recliners. That's just a reminder when you want the things that's finer. Speak it into the universe in this game.
Okay, so first thing I noticed, there is a slight distortion in the vocals of this rap song. It's not as clear, okay guys? I recently tested the Sony WH-CH510s. The clarity of those headphones were much better. In fact, I did that test right before this video, and for $20 more, the music was substantially better in both bass and in both treble. So I, for $20 more, would opt for those Sonys or even the JBLs that I've tested recently. I would not go for these, okay? Not bad in terms of sound. 65,000 reviews. I think it's because they're the cheaper headphones out, but I would opt for $20 or so more and get a much better quality headphone. No, not much bass here. Clarity not so good. A little muffled. Not very impressed. I'm sorry, but I keep it real and I keep it honest. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do a test on an acoustic song. Again, I just literally did a Sony WH-CH510 test for $45. Those sounded way better all around with bass, treble, mids, lows, highs, clarity. I feel like these are a little bit muffled, distorted. I'm just not happy with them. I wouldn't buy them. I wouldn't even buy them for anyone else or as a gift, etc. So here we go. A more acoustic song. Let's see how they do, okay? And volume, I'm up at about 80%, just like the other headphones I just tested. These are a little quieter in my opinion.
So small.
So personally, I'm a bit spoiled, so these don't sound as good. They're not terrible, but they don't sound as good in terms of call quality. Like, I don't feel immersed. I don't feel like I'm there, and I don't feel like I'm like, wow, this is a great song. It's so clear. So I'm not enjoying it. I'm gonna do a test phone call. I had to pause it. So let's do a test phone call. I'm gonna call the office here and see how they sound with a test phone call. Now, I suspect these won't be bad with a test phone call just because of the fact there's not much noise canceling, so I don't sound muffled myself. All right, here we go. Hey, what's up? It's Simon.
Hey.
Yep. I'm testing now the ZIHNIC, wireless Bluetooth headphones.
The ZIHNIC?
Yeah, the name is weird. But anyway, how do I sound?
Well, you sound good.
Good? Okay. Yeah, you sound pretty good as well. Not so nasally. I feel like I'm wearing more like earbuds that don't have noise canceling.
Gotcha.
Okay. Cool. Well, I appreciate you picking up.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah. All right. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.
Okay. So I tested them. Quick little phone call, brief. It sounds okay. Doesn't sound like anything out of the ordinary. I don't sound like the noise cancelling's getting in the way or the earmuffs are. Again, I'm just not thrilled to pay $23 when I know for about $20 more I could get a headphone that's 5 times better. That's really my opinion. So let's go over some highlights on these. They look great. They fit pretty good. I like the compactness. I do like the case a lot more. The buttons are very simple to use to power on and off and, play. So pretty good headphones, but not anywhere near the level of headphones that you could get for $20 more and really enjoy music or a phone call or an experience. I don't feel like I get these from this headphone. So Here's some highlights that they claim. They say it's an easy Bluetooth connection. That was true. Found on my iPhone and really easy to pair. Astonishing sound they claim on Amazon. I doubt it. It's not astonishing sound. Sorry guys, it's just honest review, and I always will give you an honest review. I think the sound was mediocre at best. Were they comfortable? They were. I didn't feel like they were too tight on my head. I didn't feel like the earmuffs were less padded than something other I would test around this price range. This is entry level. The design is pretty nice with the folding, so I like that about these, and they actually match the color of my shirt, so I'm gonna say that's a plus, and I'll give it an extra point just for that. Overall, would I buy these? No, I would not buy them. Sorry guys, those that have it can comment below how much they love them, but I would not buy them. Just testing headphones for around $40 to $50. There's just so many better headphones out there that you could use your money on. Check them out on my channel. Again, use the playlist of headphones. There's the JBL Tune 500s and 510s. There is the Sony CH 510s, which were nice. So there's just so many more models. Anker makes a really good headphone for an affordable price with extraordinary battery life that these do not compete. And the thing with these headphones is it's only a 14-hour battery life. So even if you get the JBL Tune 500s, you're at 16 hours. They're going to beat these headphones with sound quality, and they're going to be priced about very similar. So don't get them, in my opinion. Move on to the next product. I hope you enjoyed this honest review. If you did, give us a like, a subscribe, and I'll check you here in the next video. Also check out techvisibility.com.